So I converted this simple video into animation in just a matter of seconds. You guys can also do that with the help of AI. It could be an anime style, it could be a cartoon style, or whatever style you have in your mind. And in this video, I'm gonna share 2 free AI tools that you can use to convert your simple videos into animations. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Okay, the first tool that we're gonna use is called the LensGo AI. So simply go to your search bar and search for the LensGo AI. Now select the first link and you guys will be on their website. So this AI tool is not just limited to the video to video, it also offers you a text to video that generates some really realistic images, but that's not the topic of our today's video. I have already made a dedicated video on that. So if you want to learn more about this AI tool, you can watch that video. Now let's try its video to video feature, and to access this, on the left side you have to click on this animate videos, and here are a few videos that you can see I already tried in this AI tool. And on the left side you can see we have 50 free credits, because on the daily basis you only get 50 free credits. And then we have the option to select the models, and here we have the real model, anime model, and these are few custom models. We have the fantasy, Pixar, vintage, but my favorite is the Pixar style, so I'm going to click on that. And here we also have the option to select the aspect ratio, but you don't need to select the aspect ratio because we are trying video to video feature. Now to upload your video, you have to click on this upload video. So let's say I'm going to select this video for baby. So if I play this video, you can see this is just a simple video. Now in the prompt section, you have to type the prompt that is relevant to your video. So let's say I'm going to type a girl wearing glasses. Now hit start, and this will start converting your video into animation. Okay, so this is the output video, and now you can see this is converted into animation. So if I play this one more time, look at that. It's really good. So if I look at the reference video, this is our reference video, and this is the animated video. Now let's try a different video. Okay, so this time I'm gonna try this video, and you can see this is some kind of a portrait shot, and it's a really good video actually. So in the prompt section, I'm gonna type portrait of a beautiful girl with curly brown hairs and hit enter. Okay, so this is the output video, and now look at that. And you can see the character has the curly hairs, beautiful eyes. Yes, there is some kind of funkiness going on with the hands, but overall, the portrait shots works really good. Now before moving to the next tool, here is the honorable mention of Pika Labs. So Pika Lab introduced video to video feature in the Pika 1.0 that I think is not reliable in most of the cases, but this is totally free and you don't have any limitations here, so you can try and test different things here. Maybe you can get some better results. But if you want to learn more about Pika 1.0 in a detail, I have already covered a detailed video on that, so you can watch that out. Now let's move on to the next tool, that is Domo AI. So you can simply search for the domoai.app, and this is their website. And to access this AI tool, you have to click on this start in Discord, and you will be redirected to their Discord server. So once you guys are on their Discord server, on the left side, just scroll down, and here you can see we have some channels like generate 1, 2, 3, and here you have to click on this generate video. You can select any one of the generate video channel, and these are some videos that people have already converted, so you can get the idea how your videos will look like. And to try your own video, you have to type /video and select this prompt section. Now here you have to upload your video, so let's say I'm gonna upload. So I'm gonna use this video, and in the prompt section I'm gonna type a woman using a phone and hit enter. And then this will give you some options. So if we click on this drop down menu, here you can see we have some models like the anime version 1, 2, 3, and we also have the illustration versions. So there are a lot of other features that you can try, but my favorite one is the 3D cartoon style. So I'm going to click on that, and your style will be selected. Now you have to specify, should the AI have to rely most on your video or on the prompt. So I'm going to go with the refer to the source video, and next we have to select the duration of the video. So here we have the 3 seconds, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. So I'm going to go with the 5 seconds long video and hit start. Okay, so these are the output results, and here you can see the video looks really good. The style is good, but you can see we have 2 noses here, maybe because of the camera angles. So we can try a different style. So this time I'm going to try the same video, but inside of the anime style. Okay, so these are the results from the anime style, and now you can see this is looking much better than the previous version. So it all depends on your style, it all depends on your input image. So if you're not getting the good results, you can try changing the prompt, you can try changing the video and even the input style. And one more thing that you have to keep in mind, that on the first sign up you will get 100 free credits, and after the consumption of the 100 credits you have to upgrade to the premium plan that is a little bit expensive. So you guys can try using the LensGo AI or a Pika Labs, because both of these tools offers you a lot in a free version. So that's how you guys can convert your simple videos into animation. And that's it from today. I hope you guys learned something new, and if you guys did, do give it a thumbs up. and I'll see you in the next one.